to Learn Indonesian with Maria. Today we are going to learn about Indonesian alphabets as a starting point to learn Indonesian language. Are you ready? Let's get started. Indonesian alphabet consists of 26 letters. 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. I will say the letter for you first so you know how to call it, and then you can repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Congratulations! You've learned Indonesian alphabet today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. And honestly, I really want to know your opinion about Indonesian alphabet. Do you think it's easy or do you think it's kinda difficult? Please write down your opinion on the comment section below. And if you find this video useful, please do share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you on the next lesson. Sampai jumpa!